Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to store data in variables, and we will also see how to display data stored in them by embedding the PHP code within HTML elements. So in the previous tutorial I displayed hello world with the help of this echo statement. So I will simply remove it. So in PHP, a variable name starts with $symbol followed by variable name. So for example, let's declare a variable radius. So I will type dollar and then name of the variable. And after declaration, we will assign some value. So I'm going to assign 2. If I save it, the meaning of this statement is we have declared a variable named radius and it has some value, that is 2. Okay. Now if I want to display this value in browser, just by declaring it, I cannot display the value. Okay, you can see there is nothing on this web page. Okay, so now we also need to display it. Again, we will use echo statement and within double quotes. Okay, you don't even need double quotes. You can simply write the name of variable and then semicolon. Let's save it and refresh. Here I have to zoom in. Now you can see it simply displayed the value of variable. Let's make it more informative. So what I will use, I will enclose it within double quotes and I will also type a message like radius equals to this. Okay. Let's see, refresh it again and you can see now it is more informative, that is radius equals to 2. Okay, so and now I also want to embed this PHP code within HTML element. So first of all, cut, and then I will create a basic structure of HTML web page. Okay, and here I will create a h1 element, and within this element I will paste my PHP code. Okay, let's save it. Let's go to our browser and refresh it. Now you can see this is how we can embed PHP code within HTML elements. So let's understand the meaning of variable. The value stored in the variable may or may not change during the execution of program. Here you can see the value did not change because we simply stored this value within this variable and then displayed its value in next statement. Okay, but what if I make some changes? For example, I double the value of radius and again I display some message. Okay, let's save it, go to our browser and refresh it. Now here you can see it simply printed both statements in same line. So we have the solution. The solution is very simple. You can simply use HTML elements within PHP as well. Okay, so here as you can see I used br tag in this echo statement, okay, within double quotes. So if I save it and again go to browser and refresh it, you can see now these statements are printed in separate lines. Okay, so this is all about how we declare and display the value stored in variables in PHP, and also how we embed our PHP code within HTML elements. This is it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.